Foam rolling is a great way to loosen tight muscles before your workout or on a rest and recovery day. This type of exercise is called myofascial release. It works just like a massage. By applying pressure over tight muscles, we encourage them to relax. This can relieve pain and tension while also preparing your muscles for a workout. You can use a foam roller, medicine ball, or another similar device to apply pressure to your muscles. In this video, I'll show you how to use the foam roller to loosen up your hamstrings. Begin seated on the floor, face up, with your knees bent. Lay the foam roller under one leg, horizontal to your hips, just below the knee. Lower your leg to rest on top of the foam roller, and plant your other foot on the ground and take your hands behind you for support. To begin, lift your hips off the ground and push your body back and forth over the foam roller, stopping just under the knee on one end and under where your leg meets your butt on the other end. Do this for 20 to 60 seconds before resting. Repeat for several rounds and make sure to do this on both sides. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.